power of that. Guys, we are slicing and dicing. Yay, let's go. I am so hyped right now. Case Han, Jalen, Emily, let's go, ladies. Come on. This is my first time opening one of these. This pack is really fucked up. Sorry, excuse my language. Look at that thing, though. That'll be our first one. Look at these, though. Oh, man, let's go. These are sick. Let's go. Cool. I don't know where to put this thing. Maybe right there. Because I do want to show some pulls. Thug Rose, let's go. Gets me going. Sean's fired up. Let's open up this janky ass pack first, huh? And guys, I do not know a whole lot about UFC either, but it's alright. Ooh, we pulled an auto early. Jiri. Auto early. Let's go. Come on now, lock it in, camera. Yuri Prochazka. Sensational rookie signature. Pulling autos early, guys. Let's go. Masvidal. Hype. Let's go, man. What a pack. What a pack, what a pack. What a pack. Oh, we're holding on to all of these. Let's go. And we got a Jorge Surge. Let's go, man. Let's go. Come on, boys. I don't even know. Can you pull multiple autos from this pack? The edges look very clean for how messed up that pack was, too. The edges look very clean. That's a nice looking card, guys. I think we're safe. That is a nice looking card. Case, I can try. I don't know. I can try. Is he for tomorrow? Let's go, man. I love that. That's awesome. Case, I don't know. We got a big night. Oh, we had a big night playing with the guys. Playing Halo, ripping packs. I don't know. I'm gonna try though. You know I'll try for you, babe. Now you pissed off Mitch. First, I don't get invited to the concert. Next, I gotta pick him up. Dude, what a first pack, guys. Let's go. We're gonna keep it rolling. Johnny Walker. Hell of a name. Rookie. Giga. Or Giga. TJ Dillashaw. Let's go. Chandon, let's go. Let's go, man. Roxanne. Chan, let's go. Let's go. We're sleeving all rookies just in case they become the next, you know, the next big thing. The next, like, Khabib or something, man. TJ Dillashaw, that is sick, too. Let's go. Yo, let's go, Jalen. I got my fans in here. Let's go. Y'all ladies are too funny. I missed you, Jalen. I saw Emily. I didn't get to see you, girl. Oh, this guy just fought, right? Am I not thinking of the right guy? This guy just fought at the last UFC event. He's in Khabib's corner. Maybe. Nate Diaz fearless card. Let's go, man. I think, yeah, Serge, that's a guy. Henry's good. We just took him out. We just took him out to go potty. Darren Elkins. Brad Tavares. Guys, this is fucking crazy. These boxes are dumb. Let's go. Nate Diaz. That is a nice card. Yeah, Serge, let's go, man. Let's go. Guys, I really hope we get another auto though. I mean, what a blessing. We pulled our auto early, but come on, man. Oh, that's sick. He's with Izzy. Angela Hill. Guys, this UFC box is fire. Jared Cannonier. Guys, I'm sorry if I butcher it. Like, if this is one of your favorite fighters and I butcher the name, I'm sorry, man. Juliana Pena. Nice green card. Nice green tinted card. And Khabib. Let's go, man. Ground and pound Khabib. That's sick. That's sick. Green parallel? What are those called, man? I do like watching fights, Serge. I hate paying for them, but I'm also not into like watching that shit on like Reddit and stuff because I don't know. I don't want to give my computer like AIDS. I don't know, man. That is a sick card though. We'll put that right next to Thug Rose. Just know that that's Thug Rose behind her. Nate Diaz and Masvidal, bro. And that's a green Masvidal too. I don't know if you can barely see it. Yeah, Serge, I like watching fights, man. I do. I have a good time, but yeah, no. If I'm like by myself, I don't want to spend $80 on a fight. I don't know if that'll ever change. That pay-per-view shit sucks. And I have ESPN fights too, or ESPN Plus. Sorry. Dominic Cruz. Ooh, that's a nice card. Instant Impact. Alexander Volkanovski. You gotta watch Fights with the Boys. Yeah, I watched the last one. I watched that Poirier McGregor fight with the boys. That was nice. Edmund Shabanzian. I told myself I wasn't gonna read these names out loud because like I'm trash. Robbie Lawler too. Let's go. Isn't he fighting soon too? I think he's fighting soon. It's really throwing me off. These sleeves are like upside down to where they're normally supposed to be. See, they're always upside down. I could fix it, or I could just keep messing it up every single time, and I'm almost going for the second one. Yeah, Ben, we were there, man. Yeah. That was a sick... Every other fight was sick. You know, even... You know, I mean, I'm not going to say, like, that Poirier fight and that McGregor fight wasn't awesome. Like, it was awesome, but it wasn't awesome. Yeah, Nick Diaz. He's fighting again. He's getting an octagon. Octagon. I'm excited right now. I'm sorry I'm skipping syllables. We got a Rook. Ooh, and we got a silver. Alistair Overeem. It's a silver parallel. Nice. Rookie. Michael Pereira. Jan Blachowicz. It's like an English lesson when y'all are with me, man. How to pronounce names correctly, because I've been on fire lately. We sleeve all rookies just because I don't know anything about UFC. And they could be good. They could be trash. But we're sleeving all of them. We're sleeving all rookies and all inserts and all like parallels, like silver parallels. We're sleeving them all. Hey, Ben, your group was low-key kicking ass at that golf outing, though. Don't think I forgot about that. Yeah, Jan is? All right, that pack was fire then. We got 4 sleeves on that pack. Let's go. Good call, Ben. Good call. Thank you. Nice. Yeah, all these packs are sick, man. I agree, Corso. I agree. Alex Perez. Oh, we just can we just pull him? Maybe? Maybe not? Dang, maybe I'm tripping. Yeah, right here. Nope, that's not him. Alright. Yana. Come on, man. Focus. Corso, you know, I know you're all about it, bro. We got a fireworks. Justin Gaith. Gaithe? That's cool. Iago Santos. He's got Thor's hammer tatted on his chest. What? That reminds me of who? Brock Lesnar. With the sword going through his shit. That's a sick tattoo. Yeah, dude, Brock Lesnar was the shit. Or is the shit. Isn't he doing, he's doing, like WWE now, right? Damir. Rookie. Nice. Yuri. Rookie. He's giving somebody the... You keep it down over there, young buck. Nice. Jorge Masvidal, instant impact. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Shogun? You're telling me the dude's name's Shogun? Yikes. Surge, that's your guy? We had Chan say that this is a solid auto. This might have to go in a top loader. Is this worth going in a top loader? Instant impact? It's green. It's a green parallel. I know the gold is the best, but... That Masvidal card is nice, dude. Very nice. Very nice. If we pull a gold card, are we shotgunning a beer? Hunted? Come on, Ben. Come on. Let's go, man. What a box. Guys, I got this from my boy Clayton, too. Ryan Spain, rookie. Let's go. Claudia, silver parallel, too. And we ain't done, dude. We might be approaching halfway, but we ain't even done. Jose Aldo! Come on! Let's go. Aldo. Still going at it. How old is this man? And he's still going at it. After that, he ruled the featherweight division for a decade. 18 consecutive victories. Damn, yeah, he's still going, man. He's still going hard as hell. Still. That's a nice silver parallel. I don't know who Claudia is, though. I only know a few women fighters. Their fights are always great, and they always go rounds, too, which is awesome. But Amanda Nunes is, she's the only one that is, like, tried and true and has never lost and will never lose. She will never lose. Ever. She will never lose. 24 packs in here? Yikes, bro. Tim Elliott. Darren Elkins, silver parallel. Again, this is our third one. Still third silver. Pedro Munoz, rookie. Luke Rockhold. You gotta see if I corrected my ways, right? Like I got my sleeves. I've learned. After repeated mistakes, I've learned. Let's take 3 from this side, 3 from this side. I'm gonna count them up too, guys. I'm sorry. I'm gonna count them up. 8. 8 left in the box. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 left. 14 packs left. We're not even halfway. This box was 300 bucks. But that's from a local card shop. And this is a retail box. So I do not know how much it retails for. Dude, Hart needs to get in here, man. Yeah, this is a $300 box. Yeah, and I got a $300 card. Let's go, man. Oh, we got another Claudia. Another Alistair. Fireworks. Let's go. I'm not going to try, guys. I'm not going to try. You don't want to see me try that. I know you can't even see, but I'm not going to try that. It's a great card. Davison. And we're going to leave it at that. Rodolfo. Rookie. Yeah, of course. So these boxes are elite, man. Oh, this one's kind of heavy. Figueiredo. Davison Figueiredo. Thanks, Ben. You're a real one for that. Irene Aldana. The silver parallel. Dominic Reyes. Rafael Dos Anjos. Mangomed. And Kalev. Gosh, I feel like y'all are going to clip me just butchering names, and I don't want that to happen. Throw it on a highlight. Wiley can't even read. Then it's going to become a whole thing. I got trolls in here, all right? Half of y'all are trolls. Not half. A lot of y'all are trolls. Hey, we're halfway. It's just a lot of, like, you know, there's not a lot of American fighters. You know? You know, Corso? Not a lot. These are sick, though. I love Panini Prism, man. I really do. They make good cards. Let me sleeve a few of these fireworks up. There's only like 1 or 2 of them, and then we'll get right back to it. It's a halfway point right now, guys. It's the halfway point. We got some nice inserts. A lot of fireworks, an impact, silver, rookie. Oh no, that's just a normal ass card. Oh, but y'all told me to. Oh, that's Robbie Lawler. Okay. Then a green fearless Jorge Masvidal and Nate Diaz, man. We pull heat, man. We are not messing around. We are not messing around. Not messing around. We're not messing around. No. Oh. Sorry, God. I thought we were gonna keep rolling. Damn. Beignet. Dardouche. What we got here? Holly Holm. A knockout artist. Holly Holm. Nice. I like that. Joanna. No. There shouldn't, like, in the alphabet, dude, you can't have letters like that all in a row. Not cool. Don't even try spelling it out for me, Ben, if you know how it's pronounced. Don't. We're gonna move on. It's a good card. You're a great fighter, I assume. We're gonna sleeve the Holly Holm and move on to the next pack. Come on. Ooh, let's go. Song Yadong. Rookie. Mahmoud. Valentina. Oh, look at her neck snapping back, though. Does she connect on this kick? Sleeve who up? Who are we talking about? This chick from the last pack? Joanna? Let's leave her up. Good call, Ben. Appreciate you. Jimmy Crute, rookie. Two rookies in that pack. Come on. Ben, you're a real one, bro. I appreciate you helping me out. Rob Font. Dustin Poirier, fearless. Let's go. Come on. Come on, man. Let's go. Roxanne. Again. Usman. Come on. And he's fighting. Oh, man. Didn't know who he was fighting for a second. Ooh. Usman. Elite. Poirier. Elite. Yeah, man. Let's go. Mystic 7? No, I don't, man. I follow a lot of guys that just rip Pokemon packs. A ton of guys. I'll follow him, though. I'll follow him, Serge. Dan Ige. Rookie card. Nice. Luis Pena. Rookie card. Nice. Tessia Torres. We have a green insert. Let's go. And Matt Schnell. Damn, we got 3 rookies and a green insert. What a pack. What a pack. Let's go. That's sick. Guys, we still need a Cody No Love. Yikes, man. All my sleeves. Oh, they're everywhere. There's only like 10 of them left, though. Not period. We got about 500 of those things, but still. Dude, I can't believe we pulled our autograph first thing. Cody Garbrandt. Cody No Love. That's his name, man. No Love. One of the fastest strikers you'll ever see. Let me get this, these are thick ones. Let's get normal ones, huh? Normal card sleeves. We've been sleeving like a sumbitch, man. Yikes. Gone. Let's keep it rolling. Let's keep it rolling, guys. We got 8 packs left. Dude, Surge, that'd be sick. They do have WWE cards, though. I've seen them. Oh, my console's gonna turn off in 5 minutes. Guys, what do you want to see after this? Let's see, what is Mitch playing? Mitch ain't even on. He's rolling offline. Mitch, are you watching? What do you want to play after this? What do you guys want to see, man? I'm kind of down to play Halo. But Mitch is still updating or downloading it. Sam Alvey. Instant Impact. Davison Figueiredo. Nice. I like that. Son Kenyan rookie. Down for whatever. Mitch, what are you out at with Halo? RL? Play some RL. Y'all guys want me to keep streaming after this? Sure. We'll keep streaming. I don't know. At least for a little while. Dude, I'm down. Hey, Ben, so they just came out with the, you know, the Don Russ clearly cards for basketball. I just bought a case of them. 12 boxes of those things. But I'll be down, man. Ben, I'll be down. Are you talking about, right now, all I got is, I got this. These are the draft pick ones. I got that. Not too much else, though. Watterson, Michelle, Matt Brown. Another green card. Conor McGregor. Let's go. Knockout artist. Let's go, Will. Let's go, man. That's a good card. I like that. Jimmy Flick. Rook. Conor McGregor, boys. Let's go. And a green parallel. That's nice. Let's go. That is nice. Few more packs, guys. This is it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. That's it. That's it. Come on. Masvidal. Come on. Base. Irene in a silver. Valentina. Diego Sanchez. New pack of sleeves. Can I get a 3-piece and a soda? Yeah. Yeah. Look at that pile of rooks and stuff that we got, guys. Let's go. Masvidal. Let's go. I don't even know how I'm going to take pictures of all this stuff for the Discord. Like, guys, the pile is massive. Come on. And I know, like, a lot of these rookies are going to turn out to be shit, though. Like, I know that's how UFC goes. Unless you're, like, top tier. You know. Ketlin. Francis Wanu. Fearless. Heavyweight. Saeed. Rookie. And another rook. Jan. Yeah, that's sick, man. That was a good pack right there. Heavyweight champ. If I didn't have Serge and Ben in here, man, I don't know what I'd do. I made up my mind, though. We are going to cut the stream after these packs, though, guys. We're going to cut the stream. I got a little stuff to do. We're going to cut it. But we got at least 10 minutes left of some fun, man. Just the baddest man. That's a nice card, too. God, man. The Predator. Let's go, guys. Hey, we got 4 left. 4 packs left. Come on. Let's go, fellas. Ladies and gentlemen. Yerjaj. Babier. I butchered that shit. Ricardo Llamas. Dustin Poirier in a green insert. Let's go. Green parallel. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Warren Murphy. Let's go. Come on. Oh, shit. Look at this shit, man. Conor McGregor and Dustin Poirier, man. And we got a Jorge Masvidal in a green. I want a gold, boys. I want a gold. I want a gold. Badly. We have 3 chances left. Tony Ferguson, Impact. Ian Heneshish. Jermaine. Are they not? Yeah, you think they're numbered? I really haven't checked the back of any of these. Nope. I don't know if UFC does these, does like numbered ones and shit, for real though. I really don't know, because even like the gold ones aren't like numbered. We're gonna top load these real quick. I still want a Cody No Love. I still want a Cody Garbrandt. Alright, I'll sleeve it, Ben. I'll sleeve it. That was another Francis though. And honestly I thought, I was like, damn, is that who we thought? Yeah. It is who we thought. Good call, Ben. Good call. He doesn't have a card? Damn, that's suspect. Nathaniel Wood. Valentina and the fireworks. Carla. 1 pack to go, guys. Yes, let's send it. Send it right to the head man. Dude, it's crazy. I'm not seeing half my income I made last year until like 2023. None of those bonuses are coming through. On that note, we got our last pack, guys. Last pack. Come on. Anthony Smith. Another silver. Brad Tavares. Alex Cacteris. And then another Jan rookie. Guys, what a day. What a box of cards. What a box of cards. Serge, you already know what time it is. We had good warm-up packs and everything, too. Nothing but heat. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Thank you. Ben, Serge, Corso, y'all were great, too. Helping me out. But we got some good ones, man. The Thug Rose and the Sugar Show O'Malley are, yeah, they're not, What a day of pulls, though, for real. We got a Masvidal, Juliana, Tessia Torres. We got Poirier and McGregor. And then our auto came early. Early. First pack of the day. Yuri. That's awesome, guys. What a day. Awesome day. Awesome, absolute, incredible day. Because you can't forget about these either. You know? Because that was an elite box. Thank y'all.